I know some of you guys were asking me to keep you updated on this Polaris Edge 600 that was left idling forever and it ruined the top end. Even the crank, the connecting rods are pretty blued, so I'm guessing, I don't know, I wouldn't want to use them. I'd at least replace the bearings in here. And then obviously the top end, like I said, is pretty messed up here. I mean, the power valve cover got so hot that it melted out. This thing got hot. I'd be very surprised if this would actually seal, even if we did reuse these cylinders. But I did talk to the owner and he does want to fix it. However, we decided the best route to go is probably another used engine. So right now it's February 28th and unfortunately, I'd say our season is just about over. It's 50 degrees today. It was 50 degrees yesterday. You're supposed to get some rain here in a little bit. So this snow is going to be knocked down quite a bit. I am in Island Pond, Vermont. And usually this is not the case. Usually it's really good riding right now. And I mean, as you can see, we don't have a ton of snow. I mean, there's a little bit through here, but as you can see, there's the grass showing. The dirt road's actually dirt, which is always covered in snow. I'm about to put away my other sleds because, I mean, like I said, there's pretty much no riding left to be had at this moment. Because even though we do have a little snow here and we could go riding, a lot of places around here don't. You drop an elevation just a couple hundred feet and it's totally different. You see, you know, green grass out in their fields. So unfortunately, I'd say our season's about done unless some things change, but it doesn't look like it. Next week's 50 degrees, a few different days. So it's gonna knock this way down. But anyways, back to what I was getting at. We are gonna fix the sled. We're looking for another engine. Obviously not in a big hurry right now because of the lack of snow. So hopefully we can find a good deal over the summer. Hopefully we can find a good deal this spring maybe or something, and then we can get this back together. I know some of you guys said this sled was not worth fixing, but I mean, this is a very nice sled. Yeah, I mean, she's old. She's a 2002, but I mean, just look at it. It's in really nice shape. She's got 4,200 miles. I mean, the seat's good. Get that engine off there. I mean, the seat has no rips in it. This thing is actually in really nice shape. The track isn't bad. It's, you know, it's definitely not great, but it's not bad. This sled does have electric start and it also has reverse. So those are pretty desirable features. But in my opinion, this sled is definitely worth fixing. Nobody fixes these things anymore, so you're seeing less and less of them on the trail. I know beauty's in the eye of the beholder, but in my opinion, this is one of the best looking sleds there was in 02. This blue and yellow scheme on the X Edge package is so good looking. Also, the red and yellow, I had one of those. I didn't have it, but I worked on it for a customer. It was the red and yellow. Same thing as this, except it was the 800. That was a nice machine. I did a video on that on here not too long ago. Well, it was probably a year ago, a couple years ago, maybe. Nice looking sled. Honestly, I wish Polaris would bring back an X package or something that looked similar to this. This is a very nice looking sled. But yeah, right now, I mean, we found a couple engines for like 700 bucks. I'm pretty sure come springtime, or well, it does feel like spring, but it's the end of February. I'm sure in a month, couple months maybe, we'll find an even better deal on this, get it back on the trail. You know, these sleds go for decent money still when they're running and in good condition, so it's worth fixing. While we're on the sled topic, I'm really hoping we keep the snow just for a couple more days. There's supposed to be some demos going on Saturday on that new Arctic Cat 858. I really wanted to try out the ZR because I'm really thinking about getting one. They're a lot of money, but it's such a good looking sled. I haven't got my hands on one of those catalysts yet, so maybe this weekend, we'll see. But yeah, anyways, I just wanted to give you an update on that sled, just in case you saw another video of some of the four-wheelers I'm going to be working on, because I got all kinds of those that need to get fixed. And you'd be like, what happened to the sled? Did you fix it? Or were you wondering? I figured I'd give you the update and let you know it's probably not going to happen for a while. But I will tell you, I do have some projects coming up for sure. We got wheelers, dirt bikes, three-wheelers. These are my Tri-Z projects. I want to get to those fairly soon. We'll see. My 350X. I'm probably not going to be working on that because, well, yeah, I do have some stuff to do to this still. Got the Polaris Scrambler 250 over here. The DS 450, that's right. That's a customer's machine there. Going to be working on that fairly soon, doing a rear axle, a couple other things. I'm not sure if I showed you guys on YouTube this old sled I got. This is a 1996 Arctic Cat Thundercat 900 triple. I mean, she's a little rough. She's pretty rough, but she does run. Got the triple pipes. Like I said, the 900. Let's go ahead and fire her up. Like I said, she's pretty rough. The front cowling's all broke up. track is not bad. She's definitely studded. Jack doesn't work. Obviously, you don't want to drive the old girl too fast with a broken ski up front. Because if that catches just right, probably send me for a pretty good ride. But anyways, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one.